Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Ollama in Visual Studio Code. First, open your browser and go to the official Ollama website. On the website, you will see a download button for your operating system. Download the installer and wait for it to complete. Now open Visual Studio Code. Look at the left side menu. You will see different icons. Click on the one that looks like 4 squares arranged in a grid. That is the extensions icon. After clicking it, you will see a search bar at the top of the extensions panel. In the search bar, type the words VSCode Ollama. The extension you want will appear in the results. Click on it, then click the Install button. Visual Studio Code will install it in a few seconds. After the extension is installed, you need to configure it. Open the settings for the extension. You can do this by clicking the small gear icon next to the extension name or by going through the General Settings menu. You will see fields where you can set the server address and the model name. The server address is usually set to the default value that Ollama uses, and the model name should match any model you have downloaded through Ollama. Once you finish this configuration, the extension will be ready. You can now use Ollama inside Visual Studio Code to generate code, answer questions, or help with your projects. Thanks for watching.